Oh my God. Oh my God. I have to
move the car first from here.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Our sister, when they call Didi Kanem, don't cry, come out for social media, say fire bomb the house. She don't labor for years. All her sweat, everything will be say she gets. Say fire just destroy everything. Say the only thing will be say deal with her nana be only her passport. Say how she want to start her life again. How she want to start her life, like say her life don't dey completely down. Say she never know, she never think herself whether her life dey possible again. Say to take be normal the will be say it used to be. I don't want to talk too much. I just put the video for here. The will be say take it off for social media. Then I'll come back with the rest of my thoughts.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I have to
move the car first from here.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Move the car, calm down.
Oh my God. I calm down. This thing is burning. Can't you see? Can't you see it has finished burning? This person's calm down now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Everything I've worked for, what kind of legacy is this? What kind of legacy is this? So, can I have peace? Can I have peace? Oh my God. Can I have peace again? Oh my God, my clothes. Oh my God. This is the only thing that nobody's at home. I don't know anybody in this Lagos. I don't know anybody in this Lagos that can help me. I don't know anybody. Why would this happen to me? Why would this happen to me? Why would this happen to me, God? Why would this happen to me? I don't know anybody that can help me on my properties. I don't even have anything again. Not even a shoe. Not even a shoe. Not even a shoe, God. Oh God. Oh God. What do I know in Lagos that will help me? Everything I ever worked for. Everything I ever worked for. What do I know in Lagos that will help me? I don't know anybody in Lagos, God. I don't know anybody in Lagos that can help me. God, why? Why? I don't deserve to experience this. Nobody deserves to experience this, God. Nobody deserves to experience this. Oh my God. Oh my God. No wonder.
Property insurance not there for Nigeria. If you would dey say, I believe say say no go would dey strong. You will be say it dey strong for Western world. Don't be say God for property. If you insure your house, say maybe say anything like fire incident or property, say your property destroy, you come begin call insurance because normally insurance now one kind of policy will be say they pay for every month. Will be say should the case of anything emergency like this of say maybe say the property destroy or say maybe say things like maybe your car spoil or anything at all. Come go reach if thief people come even thief you for your house, say come go thief your property or thief your valuable materials. Insurance go cover you. Won't be say they go reconstruct that house for you and they go pay you back for everything. Won't be say they include. Won't be say you include say loss. In as much as say you get evidence and proof to take talk say yes, you really get that property, so they will compensate you back for everything. So I call Didi so and one Nollywood actress to be say I not too even now self if we call this fire incident to be say happen to herself and not even know never one actress because no be Nigeria movie no be movie when I feel with the light of the wash like that. Say this girl so an Nollywood actress, so a 33 years old girl, her net worth dey about 1 to 5 million US dollars. Now she be say she get apart was saying say she dey do actress, so she dey into real estate. She dey so close, they sell clothes, so she get her own clothes line. She dey do brand deals, brand endorsement and brand advertisement. This one be say this fire accident so come happen to am. So honestly, no be person no dey pray say e do or person no dey pray say e encounter fire accident because no be good thing. Property one the things we get, so go for property say we get fire accident thing. What be say come be you fair get before you no come get now again. So e be go for about things shall be say thing go happen to us. And one thing I don't take notice now these days now for this Nigeria be say now I take notice say for this period so snake say if not be snake this fire incident so the other day I see one video will be say fire just dey burn one bank like that. I be one video when we say they close to one bank and then I saw tankers when we say they load fuel, when we say they load gas, they all explode, begin they burn different places. Come go reach one other printing press when we say fire just explode the place. I just stay tired because if na Western world Western world get different system when they use it, they try to make am be say this fire incident so say you know they take place. By the way, first and foremost, if this kind of a thing happens, so now you understand we could begin call fire extinguisher services, which is people say they like fire brigade. When they come begin use water and chemical take quench the fire right and as in right instantly. But for Nigeria, one kind But Nigeria na one kind system you go dey even dey call them. If they even see manage come finish, be say if they even don come finish, they come tell am say na so omo. They come talk say na so omo finish for the product, or na so chemical no dey na dey water na dey carry come. See say water dey enough to take quench fire. And secondly, the one we be say Western house say they build their own house, we say you get one thing we say the man put for one we be say if fire, anything like smoke, they like maybe anything like smoke or anything like fire just come into the building premises, you see the thing go be alarm, go begin dey ring alarm. Sometimes if you could be say you no go even dey aware sef, your neighbors will be say they dey aware. If they look and say the thing don ring, they come begin call agency, make the agency come instantly. So I just come give my own thought for what I see for this matter. And you won't be say you like, won't be say you want, you feel free to comment what you say you see for the matter for the comment section below. And for this girl, soon be say begin lots of party like this, so my darling, my heart for you. I never did for your situation before. Now I call it all say okay, I know how it feels, because I never, my property never bought before for fire. But not be what be say person they pray for, but not be what person they would wish for self for your worst enemy self, because it not that easy. All the property or all the sweat, suffering, we say you don't labor for many years. It can be say between the twinkle of an eye, all your sweat don't go down the drain, all your sweat don't become dust. So not be what we say, not be what we say we will think of self, not be what we say we will plan for self. God for you but to make it not happen to us. And for this ember month, so I beg my people, don't forget to be prayerful. I beg you will see never subscribe. Me try me say you subscribe until I see you for my next video. Bye bye.
So my beautiful and gorgeous customer just arrived from US. Just arrived from US yesterday, and she came to the store today to pick up her banana yellow outfit. You guys,
I came all the way from US to meet the designer of this outfit.
Oh my God.
I'm a boutique owner myself, so that says a lot about her.
Oh my God. Oh my God. She's in love with this banana yellow outfit. As a matter of fact, she's in love with most of her outfits.
All of them.
All of them. And she wants to go with everything. She wants to go with my full store. Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate it.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
To Atlanta. I'm coming for you.
Thank you. Oh my God.